Great views from this beautiful custom-built 2-story home that has quality throughout and shows one owner pride. Built in 2023 with an open floor plan that is light and bright with approximately 1,716 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, gourmet kitchen with Alder cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless appliances and a pantry closet, great room with living and dining room. Master suite has vaulted ceilings, walk-in closet, and a 6x6 custom tile shower. Laundry area conveniently located upstairs by the bedrooms, has a ductless heat pump and electric wall heaters, an oversized double garage with opener, and lots of room for parking on this 80 by 100 lot.